Hello everyone, my name is Roman Kornev, and you are on the channel about stock trading. Last week I said that the dollar may rise after the news on inflation in the USA. That's exactly what happened. After the news was released, the euro dollar fell, and accordingly the dollar rose. Let's calculate how much the total movement amounted to 961 points. And this is $961 in the MetaTrader platform when trading with one standard lot. In order not to miss such news, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or Zen or wherever you watch me, as well as my Telegram channel. On the link in the description, half an hour before the release of news such important, I alert everyone and we earn together. Right now, I will show you which currency pair is best to trade with my trading robot. And we will also discuss reversal points, where to buy, where to sell on the exchange, so that you can make money together with me this week. All right, let's get started. Let's see what opportunities you have in the euro dollar this week. See, there was a strong momentum and the price came back. And now it's swinging in a sort of triangle. Let's try to draw it. At the moment, the triangle looks like this. Here we have a resistance line. Most likely, this figure will change. But we can already see that if the price approaches this level again, the price is likely to rebound from here. This is the resistance level when the price approaches this level. It is being resisted by the sellers who are accumulating near this line here. It will also be possible to sell here and make money with them on the correction, that is, the downward decline. By the way, if some terms are not clear to you and you are just starting to study the financial market, I have a summer promotion going on right now when you deposit from $100 in your brokerage account. On the link in the description to this video, I provide access to my video course for beginners on trading from scratch, absolutely free. So write to me in Telegram, I will tell you how to get the course. The next currency pair that caught my attention, on which you can also make money on support and resistance lines, and also buy my trading robot, is the currency pair New Zealand dollar. Look, right now it is in a slightly downward sideways trend, I would call it that, and my trading robot Fly Dynamic likes sideways trends, so if you run it in buy and sell mode at the same time, it can still show good profits for quite a long time. See, you need to measure volatility to run it. We are in a sideways trend, but let's take this last segment. So let's measure this volatility. Let's see how many 10,000 pips we have here, approximately, respectively, based on these parameters. We need to set the distance between the connecting orders, the volume of the trade it enters. And then the robot will work more reliably if this is still difficult for you to understand. As you do not want to customize it yourself, I have a specialist in robot customization who will set up everything for you, give you ready-made networks. These are settings for an expensive robot who will run with you right on the real market. And if you want to get such a consultation, write me at the link in Telegram. I will tell you how to do it. And if you have not tried my trading robot yet, of course, write to me in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free. Now let's see how resistance support lines work and how to make money on them. If you have recently just connected to the market looking for reliable signals, I will now show you proof of how resistance support lines work. Let's switch to a smaller time frame. We're going to start on H1 and we're going to draw a support line here. Here was the support line. Notice here was the reversal, that is the price reversed, went up. This was the minimum on which we drew the support line. Further, when the price approached this level, it reversed here. If we take a closer look, we can see here that there was a correction. The correction amounted to 206 points. Further, the price once again came here, once again broke, and here it also broke away from it once more. Then it broke through, then came back. In general, the so-called trading line, the zone of trading has been formed here. It means that this line can work itself out once again. Then, when the price left, then coming back, I think I even gave this signal in my web channel. By the way, if you want selected signals from me, subscribe to my web channel. The link is in the description. There I give selected signals, which I trade with myself. And here we can see that the price has even passed a lot of time, but the price has approached this level again, and it still rebounded from it. Look, you see here it broke away from it. The correction amounted to 49 points. And let's take a closer look at this situation. It can be very useful for someone because sometimes greed does not allow people to make money or even to get out of the deal at zero. Look, if you entered on a signal, here was a sell signal. That is, you could sell here and make money on the decline. You could make 50 pips, $50 a slot. But if you wanted more, greed did not allow you to get out of the deal. I usually give short scalping signals where you can quickly make money. But if you wanted more and the price went up against you again, then here, look, the market always gives you an opportunity to get to zero. Almost always, when the price breaks the support or resistance line, it always comes back. Because, like a criminal returning to the scene of the crime, the price goes back to the support or resistance line. See right here. It broke this line, yeah, here, and then what it did, it went back up. That is, it went back. And even if you were greedy, you did not close the deal in the plus, but waited for the price to go further. And the market is already telling you that no, it will not go down further. It will go up. It gives you a way out of the drawdown, returning to the same line. And once it came back, then 2 times it came back, then 3 times it came back. He says, come out at zero. But only the most greedy, the most impatient end up losing money because the price goes up again. Not everyone's nerves or deposit can withstand it. Although the price comes back again, look, and gives you the opportunity to go to zero. Therefore, do not joke with the market. If the market gives you an opportunity to get to zero, go out. Do not be greedy. There will be new signals, new opportunities to earn. Let's see where else you can make money. We did not actually look here. We just took it apart. Let's see what are the opportunities to make money on this New Zealand pair. New Zealand, dollar to dollar. Well, here we have a resistance line coming up here. Look, a resistance line. Let's take a look at the M30. And here, most likely, when the price comes to this line again, there will be a reversal point. This is where we can sell and capitalize on the decline. So this is such a reversal point. More accurate, more select signals, of course. I teach that in my professional class. The training I have, the mentorship is personal and private. There, I show you how to look for just perfect entry points where you will make 99% money and the price bounces off these lines. That is a more thorough analysis. And here I show you more common things so that you can make the same reversal points on other currency pairs. We do not analyze the whole market. I show 2 or 3 or 4 currency pairs. And those who have ears, as they say, will hear and see how to do it. You can practice and make your own reversal points as well. Let's take a look at the pair Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. What do I see here? What I see here is a wave. There's a wave. We can exploit its Fibonacci ratio. Let me draw a Fibonacci grid. First, we need to see if there's been any indication that the grid is working. See, this is where the price reversed and went up. That was the 23.6 level. That's the most common level. Price bounced back. That's very good. It means that it is very likely to bounce from other levels as well. So look, here is the level 38 point, then the level 50, and the level 61.8. If the price reaches them, then we will expect it to bounce back and go up. These will be the support lines for the price. This is my theory that I am trading from the Fibonacci level. Here, short-term moves from these levels can be taken away. The closer price gets to the 61.8 level, the stronger the signal, the stronger the probability that price will bounce back well. Let's take a look at gold, your favorite. Gold is treading in this sideways trend. By the way, you can even turn on the trading robot in the buy mode too. But this is only for those who have a deposit of more than $5,000. I generally do not recommend trading on gold with a smaller deposit. If you have such a deposit, you can try gold. Otherwise, it can take you into space. Either up or down with small deposits is not recommended. Now, look, we have a good support line here. I think that as soon as the price reaches this line, you can buy here and make money on the growth. I also keep all my recommendations on resistance line. There is a new resistance line here. From it you can sell and make money on the decline. Also, there is another resistance line just above. We are waiting for it. And then the last step is the historical maximum, 3,454 price. From here we are also waiting for the price to reach. From here I also expect a decline. Listen, I think I went a little bit lower here, didn't I? No. That's right. It's even 2. You see, there were 2 highs. That's very good. There's a strong resistance line, by the way. Here, I've already given this signal you see before. It's even higher there. Wait, no, it's not the historical 3,500. Yes, I'm going to be bombarded with comments. That's right, you have to pay attention. That's the historical 3,500. But there's another sell signal right here beforehand. We sell from it too, we earn money on the decline. In short, gold gives us a lot of money, a lot of opportunities to make money. Don't miss it. Put an alert for yourself. And also subscribe to my Telegram channel I have a lot of interesting things there. You can make money. By the way, I tell more how to travel for free who has already earned and spend money in travel. So save properly and let's be friends together. You will find even more reversal points, signals on my trading strategy in my VIP channel. Join. If you have already earned and withdraw money from brokers in USDT, I remind you that there is a cool wallet, crypto wallet. Antarctic rolls on the link. In the description, you can download Pay Crypto, and in stores RF, you can pay with it in stores, cafes, and restaurants directly. Install it in Telegram yourself application. It is very convenient, easy, and suitable. At the checkout, just scan the QR code on the Ruble terminal, and directly the conversion is automatic. You pay for your Ruble purchases. No need to cash here these cogs and services and so on. That's all. It's already in the past. Now, you can use modern cryptocurrency wallets with the ability to pay directly at the cash register of the store. This is for Russian customers. I also remind you that if you want to travel for free, come to me in Telegram, right? I will tell you. We have a separate chat travelers. There is an opportunity to save on hotel reservations up to 50% and even travel for free. Also pay for airline tickets with crypto, hotel reservation, car rentals, buying things. You can cryptocurrency everything without cashing in rubles. It's all very convenient. So let's use it together. If it was useful, put a like, subscribe to my channel, my Telegram channel. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye, everyone.